Homeowners and many other building owners have this habit of thinking that if they hire a contractor, they just completely absolve themselves of any kind of ethics or litigation or anything like that. And that's not true. If we look at it, say, a typical home renovation, the person who's ultimately responsible is the homeowner. The homeowner is responsible for hiring somebody who is knowledgeable, who is licensed to do asbestos removal. Make sure your contractor is registered with WorkSafe. That means they have the appropriate insurance and everything else in play for their workers. If you don't do that, you could be responsible for a worker who gets hurt on the site. They could sue you. And one of the things that I've tried to do throughout my career is do what I can to educate these ancillary trades, if you will, so in particular plumbing and electricians, that they're at risk. You know, they come in and they deal with the pipe. They're thinking about the pipe. They're not thinking about the wall they have to cut to get to it. The 10 Steps to Compliance was a form intended for homeowners and people who were sort of being their own project managers, if you will. And they really didn't understand what needed to be done to make sure the work was done properly, but also to make sure that the work these steps are all done so the contractor doesn't miss anything. That's readily available on the WorkSafeBC website, so it's really carefully laid out for homeowners to understand. This is what you need to do to make sure the job is done right, and you're protecting yourself and your investment by following this.